This boiler at a local power plant was experiencing water wall tube metal wastage. The run cycles were 4 to 6 months due to tube leaks and unplanned outages.
Our plant availability is around 80%, and boiler repairs keep increasing in scope.
Every outage included more welding, more panel replacement, and more downtime. Replacing tube panels wasn't just expensive, it wasn't solving the problem. IGS introduced SMARTGard, a boiler reliability solution with HVTS cladding engineered to stop and prevent further metal wastage. After the application, run cycles were extended beyond 14 months with no forced outages. Contact IGS to learn how you can improve plant availability and boiler reliability.